Hey there! Ever feel like your to-do list is a runaway train and your brain is just trying to keep up? What if there was a way to not just manage your life, but truly master it, with a little help from some seriously smart tech? Imagine this, a single, beautiful space where all your ideas, projects, and daily tasks live in harmony. That's where Notion AI steps in. It's not just another app, it's your personal command center, designed to bring order to the beautiful chaos of your life. Think of it as your ultimate digital assistant, ready to tackle the mundane so you can focus on what truly matters. Need to brainstorm your next big project? Notion AI can help you generate ideas faster than you can say aha. Feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of notes? It can summarize them in seconds, pulling out the key insights you need. Want to draft an email, write a blog post, or even plan your next vacation itinerary? Notion AI is your creative partner, ready to lend a hand and spark your imagination. This isn't about replacing your own brilliance, it's about amplifying it. It's about freeing up your mental energy from the repetitive and tedious, allowing you to dive deeper into your passions and goals. Notion AI learns your workflow, understands your needs, and proactively helps you stay on track, making organization feel less like a chore and more like a superpower. So, if you're ready to transform how you work, create, and live, giving yourself the gift of time and clarity, it's time to explore Notion AI. It's an exciting step towards a more organized, productive, and inspired you. We're so glad you stopped by to learn about this. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more insights.